actually to learn how the TAAT Clearinghouse facilitates all the different efforts essentially to benefit smallholder farmers on the ground. And in the trip today, I pick up 3 key words that could express my impressions. First is woman. So I do see how the TAAT Clearinghouse facility empowered rural women on the ground through facilitate technology transfer to them, and through even facilitate scientists. And also what amazed me is that the carbon emission component also comes in the field that I do see it is a very upfront or promising type of intervention. So I think also the rice is a major commodity, not only Africa, in Asia also. So with the field visit today, I think we could also bring a lot of Asian Pacific, particularly in the Asian Pacific. We're coming up a huge sustainable rice program that with similar ambitions here, not only to address food security, but also the nutrition, health, and the climate change throughout the entire rice production value chain.